Rushing water, thundering water, carrying destruction through the peaceful valley of the Ohio. Where yesterday flowed a friendly river, today may have flood. Unmindful of its banks, unheeding man-made obstacles, the swollen river throws its might against man and his works. As it spread over the countryside, man was driven steadily back. Whole towns and villages fled before the river's advance. Busy cities, symbols of man's power and progress, stood helpless, 10 feet deep in icy water. Rushing where it could, creeping where it must, the river advanced steadily into man's domain. Rooftops became isolated islands in a sea of muddy water. Business stopped, factories, stores, homes were deserted as man fled before the relentless water. Buildings were washed away or crushed into heaps of tangled wreckage by the river's grip. Even pets and livestock were deserted in the retreat. And so, with its stunning surprise attack, a torrent 10 times the volume of Niagara Falls humbled man.